In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a color overlay in Google Slides. This is a simple and effective way to add a touch of creativity and professionalism to your presentations without needing any advanced design skills. So let's dive in and make your slides look fantastic. First, you'll need to go to the Google Slides website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, it's time to do so by entering your Google account credentials. This is a crucial step as you'll need access to your account to create or edit presentations. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage where you can either create a new presentation or open an existing one. For our purposes, let's start fresh by clicking on the blank presentation option. Of course, you can also choose a template if you prefer. Google Slides offers a variety of pre-designed templates that can give your presentation a polished look right from the start. But today, let's work with a blank canvas. Now let's move on to an essential element of your slides, images. To insert an image, head to the top menu and click on Insert, then choose Image. You can select an image from various sources such as uploading from your computer or searching the web. Once you've selected your image, it will appear on your slide, ready to be transformed. Next, we need to duplicate the image. Do this by right-clicking on the image and selecting Duplicate, or simply pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This duplicated image will serve as the base for our color overlay. Now it's time to create the overlay effect. Start by clicking on the duplicated image to select it, then move to the top menu and look for Format options. Once there, you'll find an option to mask image. Click on this and a selection of shapes will pop up. Choose the shape you want. This will determine the outline of your image overlay. With your shape selected, navigate to the Format Options panel again, and this time click on Recolor. Here you'll see a range of color options that you can apply to your overlay. Choose a color that complements or contrasts nicely with the rest of your slide. Experiment with different colors to achieve the desired effect. By following these steps, you can easily add a color overlay to your images in Google Slides, creating an eye-catching and professional-looking presentation. Play around with colors and shapes to see what works best for your theme and content. With a bit of practice, you'll find that this technique can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!